Understanding the phrase, sole manufacturer. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but important phrase in the business world, sole manufacturer. This phrase can be a bit tricky to understand, especially for non-native English speakers, so we're going to break it down together. Let's get started. First, let's look at the phrase, sole manufacturer, word by word. Sole means the only one or single. When something is described as sole, it means there is no other of its kind. On the other hand, a manufacturer is a person or company that makes goods for sale, especially on a large scale. So, when we combine these two words, what do we get? Exactly, a sole manufacturer is the only person or company making a particular product. Now, let's see how this phrase is used in real-world scenarios. Imagine a company that produces a unique type of electronic gadget, and no other company makes this gadget. This company is the sole manufacturer of that gadget. This term is often used in legal or business contexts, especially when discussing patents, exclusive rights, or market competition. Understanding the term sole manufacturer is crucial, particularly if you are interested in business, economics, or legal studies in English. It's a term that often comes up in discussions about market dominance, innovation, and competition. By knowing this phrase, you can better understand news articles, business reports, and legal documents that discuss the uniqueness and exclusivity of products and services. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, sole manufacturer. Remember, mastering these specific terms can significantly enhance your understanding of English in a professional context. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more interesting English phrases. Keep practicing and stay curious.